I am here with this super cool product. This is the hohem iSteady Pro 4, which is important to me. If you watch the channel a little bit, you know two things about us. Number one, we have a YouTube channel, so we do a ton of vlogging, going around, shooting all over the world. Number two, I really hate shooting video on cell phones. Hate it, hate it, hate it. I like using real cameras. I just don't want to work with a cell phone. So I saw this one. I was like, please, can I do a review? And they were like, okay, we will send it to you to do a review. This has been sent to me. I do need to tell you that with no instructions though. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I don't like it. So let's unbox it, see what it comes with. I'll talk to you about some of the key features, why I think this is particularly amazing. So one of the interesting things that you can do with this is you can set it up to do panning shots, like a gimbal, like time-lapse panning shot, which is something that actually we use a lot doing a travel vlog, maybe like as we're coming into port on the cruise ship, something like that. And it's such a cool function, but if you're doing time-lapse, you're kind of limited to the battery life on the Gopro or the DJI Osmo, whatever you're using, and it's normally a little too short for what I want. This has a 3600 milliamp hour battery, which will allow it to work as a gimbal for up to 14 hours straight, which is just great. And you can also plug your camera into this and pull auxiliary power, so you're not limited by the battery power only in the camera anymore. So here it is. How cool and sleek and basic is this? So you'll see the controls here are more basic than on some of these that you've seen. This is because of two functions. Number one, this is Ipx4 Waterproof, so you can't get that crazy with things. Now that is splash proof. That's not go swimming with it, but if it gets splashed or it's raining out, it's not going to hurt it. And all those advanced functions like the panning and the time lapse and that kind of stuff and tuning it is all done through an app, so that's really cool. Another really cool feature of this is, watch this. It's got a one-touch release to take the camera in and out, which is super cool if you do need to change those batteries and stuff. A lot better than the old versions where you had to actually screw it in and stuff like this. Again, super compatible with pretty much every GoPro, pretty much every DJI Osmo. I know with most similar size platforms, completely compatible with that. It has their newest 5.0 iSteady software in it. In terms of its stabilization, it is fabulous. And finally, another thing that I like, it comes with a little mini tripod. So when you want to set it up on the balcony in your cruise ship and leave it to do that time lapse, you can just take it like that, put it down like that. Or if you want to do selfies, that kind of stuff, works perfect for that. Overall, this thing is super cool. Full of options. Keep your eyes open for future videos because we're going to Europe and I'm bringing this with me and I'm going to incorporate it. And in a separate video, I'll have a bunch of different actual samples of video that I shoot while we're on vacation. But for now, I'm going to say this is absolutely amazing. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.